telling you. It's even more fun riding down. This is the place where everybody kind of just cruises and hangs out. Looks like some of these trees fell down over here. Okay, we're dropping down into the other valley coming up. Some old trails right here, as you can see. Alright, following Carl now. I gotta get some different footage going on. Can't be following the same guy all day. So I get whacked, man, every single time.